kids, how are you all? Okay, now it's study mode again. So let's start our classes. Be ready? All of you stand up, jump, stop. Okay, sit down. Now we are going to start our new topic, that is formation of numbers. Formation of numbers. We are dealing with 3-digit numbers. Look at the board. Can you read this number? It is 486. And which number is this? This is 864. Now I am going to expand this number 486. Dash hundreds, dash tens, dash ones. How many hundreds in this? Yes, 4 hundreds. How many tens? 8 tens. How many ones? 6 ones. Very good. Now look at this number. It is 864. How many hundreds? 8 hundreds. How many tens? 6 tens. How many ones? 4 ones. So, look at these numbers. 486. Here also 864. So, we have used the same digits 486 to form these two numbers. How to form the greatest number and smallest number? By using the given digits. That's what we are going to study. Before that, again look on the board. 486, there is a box. 864. Which is the greatest one? 486 or 864? We have studied it in the previous classes. Just look on the 100 place. Here it is 4 and here it is 8. Which is the greatest number? Of course it is 8. So this number is greatest number. And how we represent greater number and smaller than number? Yes, we have two symbols, greater than symbol and less than symbol. Here 864 is the greater number. So we have to write 486 is less than. So less than symbol, less than 864. The mouth should be open towards greatest number. So now we are moving to our topic. Listen carefully. Okay. We have 3 digits. 2, 4 and 3. We have to make the greatest number and the smallest number by using these digits. Let's see how to form the greatest and smallest number. For that, we have to write the all possible numbers that we can form by using these digits. So I am going to write the all possible 3-digit numbers that we can form by these 3 digits. First of all, 243, and again we can start with the 2 itself, 234. Okay, these are the numbers starting with 2. Now I am going to start with the digit 3. 342 and 324. So I started the first 2 numbers by using 2 and second 2 numbers with using 3. Now we have one more digit, that is 4. So starting with 4, 423, 432. These are the numbers that we can form by using these 3 digits. In this, which one is the greatest number? Which one is the greatest number? The number starting with the greatest digit on 100 place. It is 400. 200, 300, 400. Which is the greatest number among these? 4. So, starting with 400 will be the greatest number, and we have 2 numbers by using 4 on the 100 place. 423, 432. 4 and 4. We studied how to compare 2 numbers. Here 4, here also 4. So, we have to check next place. Here 2, here 3. Which one is greatest? Of course, 3. So, the greatest number is 432. Greatest number is 432. Now, which is the smallest number? Smallest number will be started with the smallest digit. Which is the smallest digit among these two? Right? So, 243 is here. 234 is here. Which one is smallest? Here, look here. 243. Here also 2. Here 2. Here also 2. So, we have to check the tens place. Here it is 4. Here 3. Which is smallest? 3 is smaller than 4. So, the smallest number is 234. Smallest number is 234 and greatest number is 432. Okay. So, it is a difficult task to write the all possible numbers that we can form by using the given digits. So, there is a small trick. Okay. I will teach you it. Okay. To form the greatest number, we have to arrange the given digits in descending order. Do you know what is descending order? That is decreasing order. So, in order to form the greatest number, we use descending order. That means greater number to smallest number. Here we have 2, 4, 3. Which is the greatest number? 4. First I will write 4. Next greatest 3. And the next greatest 2. So 432 is the greatest number. Here look here. We have already found it. 432 is the greatest number. Here we can simply write it. 432 is the greatest number. Now I am going to write the smallest number. Smallest number. Smallest number will always start with small digit, right? So we have to write the small digit first. Smaller to bigger. Which is that order? Smaller to bigger. It is ascending order. Ascending order, smaller to bigger. So 2, 4, 3. Which is the smallest number? 2. Next smallest? 3. And the last one? 4. So 234 is the smallest number that we can form by using these 3 digits. Look here. We have found it here. 234. So this is the simplest method or easiest method to write the greatest number and smallest number. To form the greatest number, we will write the digits in descending order. And to form the smallest number, we will write the digits in ascending order. So that's all for today. Now here is the activity for today. I have given you 2 sets of numbers here. A, 9, 3 and 5. B, 4, 7 and 6. You have to form the greatest numbers and the smallest numbers by using these digits. Okay, so all of you watch the video carefully and do this activity in your Maths notebook by writing activity 1. Catch you in the next class. Till then, bye.